Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making some Jamaican fried dumpling with some tin mackerel. Jamaican tin mackerel. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, share, like, and subscribe. Now we're going to start off with our flour, all-purpose flour, some salt, some baking powder, some cornmeal, and then some coconut oil. Now you can melt the coconut oil first, or you can use it like that. Just use your hand and work that oil into the dough. Make sure it's evenly distributed. As I said, you can melt your oil so it's easier to distribute. Grab some warm water, use your hand, knead that dough. You don't want to add too much water at once, so you add in slow increments, because you don't want too much water. Too much water will make your dough wet and too sticky, and it's harder to knead once you form your dough. Just use your hands and just work all that flour in, knead your dough. As I said, you don't want it too sticky and you don't want it too dry. Just continue to knead your dough until you get that consistency you want. Just clean the side of the bowl. Now once the dough is all kneaded, form it into a ball. Wrap that with saran wrap. Set aside, let this sit and rest. And then we're gonna start off with our tin mackerel. Now, open your tin mackerel, put it into a bowl, and then I'm going to remove those bones that's in the middle of it. You can keep the bone in, you can remove it. The choice is yours. I like to remove mine. The bone is soft enough where you can cook it and it won't affect anything. You can eat it just like that. So once you remove all the bone, I like to break my mackerel into smaller pieces as well. It's just easier to cook. You're gonna saute your vegetables. You have your peppers, your onion, your garlic, your thyme, your scallion. You wanna saute that in some coconut oil. I like using coconut oil. It just adds to the flavor. So saute your veggies for a minute. Once that is all sauteed, just add your mackerel to it. Got a quick stir. Now the can that the mackerel came in, just rinse it out with some water. Pour back in your bowl. Rinse out that tomato sauce. Pour it in the pot. It's gonna add to the gravy. You got to stir, cook and let it simmer. Adjust your seasoning. I'm gonna use salt, black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. And you can add some chili flakes or habanero scotch bonnet to it, just to kick up the spice. I've seen people add a little bit of vinegar in it to cut the rawness as well. Not too much, just maybe like a teaspoon. So let that simmer and cook. Then back to our dough. Back to our dumpling. So just knead that dough again, work it in. Then you're gonna pinch off a little 1 ounce piece. You're gonna roll it between your palms into a ball. And then use the index finger on your thumb and just put a little dent in the bottom and the top of it. So once all your dough is kneaded, I like to do a tester. What's called a tester is where I take one of the dumpling and just fry it, test the oil. Because sometimes the oil is too hot, so it's gonna brown the outside of it. You think it's done, but when you open it, it's a little undercooked in the middle, so it's still doughy and raw. So just reduce your heat and then add your dumpling to the pot. Now once you add all of it to it, the heat is gonna naturally, temperature is gonna naturally drop. So you don't want to reduce it too much, but you want to lower it a bit. So once you do that, fry on both sides until golden brown. So fry, turn it, Make sure all sides are golden brown, or the entire ball is golden brown. So it should come out somewhat crispy on the outside, but soft at the same time. You want to grab back your bowl, put some paper towel in. Once your dumpling is done, put on the paper towel, let that oil drain, and then we're gonna serve that with our mackerel that we cooked up earlier. So there you go, guys. You have a nice, delicious Jamaican fried dumpling with our tin mackerel in tomato sauce. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, you like what you see, hit that like button, comment, share, and again, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.